All of them.
Jordan, are you gonna want?
Dude, all of them. I was like waving plastic in their face.
2 of them have kids.
That doesn't bother me.
He's good at that.
Good job.
Hey Chris, jump over like a magic trick.
Woo!
That was cool.
Where's the other one?
2 of them went off.
Oh,
Dude,
the other one's pointed.
No.
Wait,
They, 2 of them went out at the same time, Chris.
Watch
Yeah.
out.
2
of them went out at the same time.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I only count.
It's alright, Chris. I got my contacts.
Which one is that? Which one is that?
It better not get that. I'm pissed.
That's a good one.
Very nice.
Where I'm lighting it. I don't know what I'm supposed to light, so I gotta light everything. I don't know if that little one's gonna go off or not.
Dude, I'm kind of close.
Mine's definitely going off.
God damn it.
It's gonna knock that other one over.
Oh fuck! Hey dude, did you light my sparklers off? Still standing. Fucking run! Motherfucker, that was
Oh shit.
How the hell did yours go off?
Oh, shit.
Oh, nice.
Those are big.
Yeah, they are.
That's $50 worth of fireworks right there.
I think it's worth it.
Oh, look at it.
Don't let them in your eyes.
Very nice!
That's, is that the finale?
Booyah! Ow!